Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome to everyone. Hope all of you are fine. As you know, as you know, we are discussing the new words of the poem What Animals Do, written by Ghulam Hassan War. These new words are the sounds of the animals or birds mentioned in the poem. So today there we discuss the sounds like first one is scream, scream,
Scream.
yeah, yelp, 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 yelp,
Yelp.
yelp. What? Which animal provides the sound yelp? Do you know?
Puppies.
Puppies. Oh yes. Who? Do you know? Do you know the puppies? Do you know the puppies?
Puppies.
Yes, puppies are the kids of dogs. Puppies are
Kids of dogs.
the kids of dogs are known as puppies. They give the sound yelp, yelp. What sound they give?
Yelp.
Yelp. Yes. Next one is twitter, twitter, twitter.
Swallows.
Yes, yes, yes. Next one is chatter, chatter.
Monkeys.
Yes, monkeys give the sound
Chatter.
chatter. Yes, okay. Next one, next sound is growl, growl.
Tiger.
Yes, tiger give the sound
Growl.
growl, growl. Yes. Howl. Next sound is howl,
One.
howl,
Two.
howl. Okay. Do you know that sound? Which animal gives the sound howl? Jackals.
Jackal.
Jackals give the sound
Jack.
howl, howl. Huh? Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Children's lisp. Next sound is lisp. Children's
Lisp.
lisp. And owls give the sound hoot. Owls
Google the sound hoot.
hoot, hoot. What? Hoot. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.